It's a sunny day in a beautiful park, filled with chirping birds and swaying trees. A girlfriend enters, excited to see her boyfriend. They wave at each other as she walks over, starting their perfect day. Hand in hand, they walk along a peaceful path filled with vibrant flowers and a pond of ducks. They share laughs, pointing at the flowers and enjoying their time together. At the playground, the boyfriend pushes her on a swing, both giggling as they enjoy the moment. They run around, playfully chasing each other, creating memories of joy and laughter. As the sun sets, casting a golden glow, they find a quiet spot under a tree, watching the sky change colors. The girlfriend rests her head on the boyfriend's shoulder, enjoying the beauty of nature and their bond. In the romantic glow of the evening sky, they share a tender kiss, sealing their special day. As the scene fades, the couple walks away hand in hand under the emerging stars,